What's that? Oh, Jesus, I can look one more.
Wow, all coming. Okay, okay, Ringo. Okay, Ringo.
What is that thing? Let me see if it'll eat a piece of bread. I throw it over there. No, it won't.
What do you want?
That one. This one's back.
Oh, that is the new one.
How's that for you? That's a little one.
That is the little one. That is. I don't know. I don't know what that is. Right there.
No.
What do you want? It looks like it's protecting territory. Are you hurt? Are you okay?
Alright, guys.
I don't understand. Oh, that was aggressive, Ringo. Don't mess with that.
Film it?
Ooh. Ringo, don't mess with that bird.
That's really weird.
That is a new one. That is the... Oh. Don't be mean.
What it is just standing there. It's not even flying away. So what... There.
Oh.
Don't make me have to break the neck.
Oh, that bird is not... Oh, they're bullying. Caramel, you got a problem with that duck?
A snake bird, darter, water turkey. Yep, they're going to think I see stuff there.
Don't pick out Gloria.
One. Oh.
It looks like it wants to go somewhere. It's the same communication as a duck. Gloria leads the way.
No, I gotta cut it though.
Ooh.
Okay, I'm gonna bully her around.
That bird. Up. Flew away.
Oh, wow. I must spot something in